Hi. So, first things first, I'm going to apologise for this dress, but also the background noise. There are people outside. I live in like a student block, and yeah, there's like inconsiderate people outside. I live on the 2nd floor, and I can still hear everyone, like they're right outside my window, and it's very annoying, very loud. It's been going on a long time. Alas, I am back with another wig by SuperbWigs. Yeah, you thought I was gonna say the thing. No, SuperbWigs got in touch with me again. If you remember them, they are the beautiful people that gave me 2 lovely wigs. I can't hear myself think. Right. Let's pull up the email, see if there's anything important I need to remember that I am forgetting about. By the way, I had this wig ages ago and I was meant to film a review. Couldn't. I just couldn't. And then I've been waiting for an opportunity to film the review, but then I took it home to get restyled. So then when I had an opportunity to review it, it wasn't here. Now, it's here and I'm here and I have an opportunity to review it. So, sorry, who is it who sent me it? I want to say it's Sam, who I've been talking to, who's like the correspondent. So they wanted it by the end of June. And, well, it's mid-July as I'm filming this, so I'm very, very sorry. So let's talk about this wig. It's a hot synthetic wig. It's called Mermaid, and it's a pink pastel wave synthetic wig. Let me show you right now. Like, what? Oh my god, isn't it not just absolutely gorgeous? So, yeah, this is Mermaid. It had a 6-inch lace front, which I've since trimmed, a 22.5-inch cap, it's 24 inches long, and it's from SuperbWigs. There will be all this information in the description as well. I'm just letting you know now. I think they sent me this because this was a new wig, so they were like, can you review our new wig? So, and I'm like, absolutely. I took it home to let my mum restyle it because she likes to play it with hair, and I think it really helps with this style because it's this beautiful. I wanted something really fabulous and out there and unicorny or mermaidy. So what she's done is she's put it all in like this. It all goes back into this sort of half up pony, and then it just falls. And look, you can see all of the colours just on each other. This like beautiful purple that then goes into a bright fuchsia pink, and then goes into like a more of a lavender purple, and it's also just like seamless. So I'll throw in some clips every now and then, or maybe pictures of the first time I wore this, which is when it was straight out of the box bag and it was straight and it looked wonderful straight. Here it is, not straight. Also, she's put in some like decorative little hair clips, which just goes with this. It's such a beautiful wig. I'm wearing it really makes me want to just go out there with loads of colour. I don't know if this is the makeup look you should wear with such a wig, but I'm working tonight and this is the look I'm wearing, but I'm quickly filming this while I can. I'm just going to throw on a wig cap. Again, also if you buy this wig from SuperbWigs, they will give you a wig cap or 2. Okay, so all my hair is here, flat, just spread out on my head. Okay, so the wig cap is in and secure, so now it's time to throw the wig on. I'm so excited. I haven't seen this on me in this style. So with a wig, what you want to do is throw it on front first, then the back, and you know, just do that. I use my forehead or my caveman brow bone to really anchor it in there, and then voila. Okay, so I just need to adjust it a bit, make sure it's on, because obviously when it's styled, it isn't styled on my head. So I'm just gonna. Oh, I've got lip gloss on. This was a mistake. Okay. Oh, and then I bring the rest of it forward. Cuteness. I feel like this hairstyle really shows off the lace. Like, firstly, look at the hairline, but also, like, what lace? You can't see it. I've got 2 other SuperbWigs. I have a pink one, which is one of my favourite wigs now, and a dark purple one. And both of them are the exact same. They are both such good quality wigs with such good quality lace. I can't decide what I want to do with this bit. But no, this is a little bit different to a lot of my other wig reviews, because a lot of them are unboxing videos of you seeing it straight out of the packet. But I thought this would be interesting. I've had the wig for a month now, and this is like a different style than it came in. And I just think, like, it's a good, like, yeah, sure, it's all well and good to get a wig out of the box and be like, I like it. But this is, you know, an updated kind of, this is me a month on, what do I think of the wig? And I'm telling you now, I still like it. So, like all of their wigs, the hair is a really good quality. It styles very well. This was done with rollers, I believe, and then it was steamed, but it can also handle heat because it's heat resistant hair. It is, as long as they say, it's a good condition, good quality, everything's fine. There's a lot of hair in the wig, like a lot of density. But then I'm just going to show off this gradient. And here's the back if it matters. I just love it so much. It's such a fabulous like colour. They have a lot of really good colours there. The pink one is like one of the brightest pink wigs I've ever seen. I got a dark purple one. It's almost black, but it's purple. That's so cool. I've never seen that. And it's just like, they have so many nice wigs. They also have some really good natural colour wigs. Oh, I just love the colour story in this. It's so... I love the purple... Is it roots? I guess purple roots to pink to light pink, purple. It's so cute. It's so fabulous. And I feel really pretty wearing it. I felt pretty last time I wore it. I can think of so many different looks I could do with this. Can you think of any looks I could do with this hair? Is this inspiring you, and is there anything you want to see? If so, let me know. But yeah, I know this is a very short review. I'm trying to think if there's more I can say about it, but honestly, it's really good. It's a good wig. It's yet another good wig from SuperbWigs. So now for the juicy part, if you go over to SuperbWigs' website, which is SuperbWigs.com, use the code AVA, that's my name, that's me, AVA, AVA, and you can save yourself $5. I'm going to leave a direct link for this wig in the description and the discount code, so you can check the description of this video if you want to see that. And that's not just for this wig, you can use that code on their whole website, you can buy whatever you want. Please check out the description and check out SuperbWigs and their website, and also their social media. They're on Instagram also as SuperbWigs. Also, I thought that should be interesting is they have a wholesale price if you buy 5 wigs at a time. So if you're thinking of buying a lot of wigs, buy 5 or more and you get their wholesale price, which I don't know the specifics, but I know it's like a reduced rate. Could be interesting. Yeah, so that's all from me. So if you like this video, if you like this wig, please let me know. Let them know that you went there because you saw my recommendation. But also please use my code AVA, AVA, $5 off. Check out my other videos. I make a lot of videos. I've been making a lot of videos lately. I've been doing 2 videos a week these days. So I do transformations, tutorials, product reviews, and lots of other stuff like how-to videos, drag 101s, body transformations, lots of content. I'm also on Instagram a lot, so my Instagram is Ava Cassandra, as is my Facebook, Ava Cassandra, and my Patreon, Ava Cassandra. You can also check out my paypal.me, that's Ava Cassandra. What else? That's pretty much it, I think, for me. That's everything there. I also have a gaming channel, Biohazard. I don't update that much, but I'm trying to if people watched it more. But yeah, check out my social media. It's all in the description below. Check out information on this wig in the description below. Coupon code, description below. And SuperbWigs in the description below. Okay. I genuinely think that's all from me. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I do lots of reviews, and if you are a fellow wig person and you want to give me a wig review, contact avacassandra@gmail.com, also in the description below, and I'll do a review of a wig. Honest review, and I mean honest. I've had this wig for ages now. It's mine. I can say what I want, they're not getting it back, but I still choose to say good things, because it's a good wig. And I'm honest, because I want to be honest. I want people to look at me and think, yeah, she's honest. I know. I'm not lying. Okay, cool. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.